Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're talking about how to batch generate images in Gemini. So the easiest way to batch create is to use one comprehensive prompt. So instead of, for example, using create a stylized cat, you can try this format instead. And Gemini's native nano flow will process these in parallel, returning 3 distinct high-res images in one response. Use thinking, for example, and generate. Also, if you want variations, you can upload a reference image first. To do that, click on the plus and choose Upload Files. And also, guys, Gemini can handle up to 14 reference images at once. Also, guys, for high volume, you can go to the app directory in your sidebar and, for example, choose our images. And if you can access it, you can just install something like Image Batch Pro. And these tools allow you to paste a list of 50 prompts or import a CSV file. And then just start a batch and you can walk away and wait for the generation. So you can just stop copying and start scaling. Okay guys, if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe.